कंट्री क्लब एक ऐसा नाम है जो पूरी दुनिया में मशहूर है। इस वैलेंटाइन डे पर इसकी लोकप्रियता के 35 वर्ष पूरे हो चुके हैं। इसी शुभ अवसर को मनाने के लिए राजीव रेड्डी ने अपने कंट्री क्लब में एक खास कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया, जिसका शीर्षक था डार्लिंग डे आउट। इस कार्यक्रम में एक विशेष रैंप शो का आयोजन किया गया। रैंप पर जहां कपल्स और बच्चों ने वॉक किया, वहीं एक ऐसी खास प्रस्तुति भी देखने को मिली जो रैंप शो में बहुत कम देखने को मिलती है: पालतू जानवरों का रैंप वॉक। इस अनोखे आयोजन का उद्देश्य लोगों में पालतू जानवरों के प्रति प्यार, स्नेह और संवेदनशीलता की भावना को बढ़ावा देना था।
Like I was telling you, I was about my put. I was a very busy man. But Menega ji, I was country club. I had to meet her and then assured the support of all the country club members and country club per se. वही support से आज जुबली हिल्स में अमला and Menega, they should be thanked actually for having shown so much faith in our brand. And our brand, as you know, country club cares. It doesn't only care for the members, but their extension of their families, their pets also. So, my dear friends, this is something I think we all have to look up to, and then not just leave dogs just as dogs. They are more faithful than human beings. They make very good friends, very affectionate. And basically, I am a wildlife person also. We have built a beautiful wildlife in Bandipur. It is packed. When I पहले शुरू करे वक्त कोई नहीं जाता था because they were scared of the wild. But I have taken Pooja Bedi along with the entire media from Bombay to Bandipur 3 दिन के लिए. I mean, it was such a beautiful experience for the entire members, because members were scared to go into the forest. Whereas Pooja Bedi brought her children into the forest along with us. So we have to take the lead. I think it is very simple. Lead, follow, or get out of the way. So anyhow, we choose to live, and today the Bandipur property also is packed, and you have the largest number of tigers there, apart from Jim Corbett. But there is a heaven for all the members in Bombay also. So my dear friends, after some time we will showcase Menega Gandhi's visit and Amla's party, last month's party, and you will understand our commitment towards animals and especially dogs, how strong it is, and what the difference it makes to human being.
आप हाल ही में बैंकॉक यात्रा की थी सर, किस तरह का अनुभव रहा है आपका, शेयर करेंगे?
Oh, बैंकॉक,
मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि इट्स अ डे ऑफ लव, तो सेलिब्रेट द डे ऑफ लव विद योर पार्टनर, विद योर फैमिली, विद योर किड्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स विद योर पेट्स एज वेल। लेकिन हाँ, प्यार एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत चीज़ है, तो उसे जितना खूबसूरत रखा जाए वही अच्छा है। ये मैं अपने जैसे रील्स पे भी बोलती हूँ, धोखेबाजी मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है, तो ये नहीं, मिलावट नहीं होनी चाहिए, जैसे कंट्री क्लब में बिल्कुल भी मिलावट नहीं है, सब लोग साथ बंध के चलते हैं।
So Menega Gandhi's visit to country club, I will show it to you on the big screen after your press interaction with me. So we supported her those days, and we got them land in Jubilee Hills, which today has become the center of the city. And our commitment goes beyond just animals and family. These dogs especially are an extension of the family, and people love to have them more so in the western countries. As I was telling you, it's a lonely place. अपन सोचते हैं कि वहाँ अमेरिका ऐसा है वैसा है, but the other side of America is to retire in the USA is a curse actually, because you don't have any emotional support. बच्चे इंडिया में रहते हैं, नहीं तो बाहर रहते हैं। अमेरिका में है तो भी मेरे को मालूम है 2 घरों के पास बाप बेटे भी नहीं मिलते। So that is America, and that is people who are working in US, though they may be making dollar incomes and all that. But our middle class families, middle upper middle class families, I studied in a missionary school, and we have all come up, including last month when I was having a Independence Day celebration.
डार्लिंग डे पे आपने पालतू जानवरों को भी आमंत्रण दिया है, क्या कुछ खास आज का वैलेंटाइन डे पे है?
क्या बोले आप?
पालतू डॉग्स को भी आपने यहाँ आमंत्रण दिया?
Darling day out. It is actually a mixed version of Valentine's Day, because in this Darling's Day out, you will get your Nana, Nani and your children also. So it is just to showcase the love and affection in bonded families. Now I should tell you one, again, very important event which has changed my perception towards animal kingdom. I was in New York last month, and I was invited for a party in a friend's place. So, believe it or not, what I saw was, it was a dog's birthday party, and they treat dogs more as an extension of the family, and it is from dogs they get unconditional love. And unlike India, people in Australia and England, Western countries and USA, people have dogs, they celebrate dogs' birthdays as if it is their own. I myself, till I reached the place and I saw so many of dogs there, of course being well taken care of by bones, dog biscuits and other things. And that changed my entire perception towards pets and towards animals. It is not out of place to mention that when we started Save the Pet, मिसेस मेनका गांधी खुद आई थी मेरे को मिलने के लिए, कंवर्सेशन बोलने के लिए, बिकॉज वो ज़माने में मैं ऑलमोस्ट 5 acres of land, I got it done through the then government, Mr. Indira Gandhi was chief minister. So my heart goes out whenever I see dogs being ill-treated. I feel that they are more loyal than anybody else. And last month in Nagarjuna's wife Amla is also part of the Blue Cross. She came, she organized a fantastic party, and